Today, I'm going to demonstrate to you how to use some applications or mobile application for us to practice and learn HTML programming in practical way. So, this application, we have here the HTML. So, the HTML application is quite good. Some other section uses this one, but I found error or conflict on my device. So for those who can install this application, so you can use this one. So just follow the video created by Ma'am Perlas. Then also, today I'm going to show to you how to use another mobile application which is very practical, and I found no issues on my device. So we're going to explore this application. So we need to go to the Google Play Store. Then we need to look for Learn HTML application. Learn HTML apps. Okay, so we need to search this one. Then now we have this application. So we need to install. Click this application, then we need to install this one. So this application is quite light because it can only cater 3.53 MB of your storage. So it's quite slow in downloading because I am using the G network. So we are going to wait until the application is fully downloaded. Okay, so we can start using this application by clicking open. So we need to allow. Then this is the environment of the application. So if you want tutorial, so you can explore. Then if you want to code your HTML code, we need to click this button.